His pocket?
He had a gun?
Yeah. Like out in the
No, I didn't.
He had a gun right there, like out, like half the gun was out.
What's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be going to meet up with Hamza and some of my other friends, and we're going to be doing a car shoot. It's going to be sick. Roll the video. Alright, rip it. Ooh.
Popped perfectly for you.
That was good. Alright, let's go. Oh god. Alright, so I'm gonna be sitting here. Hamza's gonna be sitting there and like kind of locking arms with me.
He's gonna be like this.
Yeah. And then we're gonna be shooting Zane's car. All the dumb stuff we do, for some reason I feel like this one's kind of reaching a new limit.
Omar, what camera settings?
1/50. Okay, let's for video do 60 frames, 1/120. Okay, let's do a test run. I want to see how fast you can go without me falling out.
You're gonna be sitting just like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to Hamza.
Okay, yeah. Hold on to like a seatbelt.
Nothing.
50 miles an hour is literally nothing. I could run past.
Literally.
Yeah.
You
All right,
cannot, no,
we got a
you
seatbelt.
cannot
We got a seatbelt to hold on to me.
How do I turn this on?
All right, if I die, it's on your hands.
Oh no.
No, it's in your hands.
It's on my hands. Why do I always do this, bro?
And then if you fall off, I'll run you over.
Perfect.
Oh
shoot! Don't shoot.
Oh my god. This is actually kind of fucking scary.
Hold this.
Man, that's not a bad idea. Just fix it. Omar, let's do some,
Oh, bro, my everything hurts from that. New plan, we're gonna drive out to a straight and then I'm gonna throw up my drone. I don't know if you can hear me. Alright, what we're gonna do now is we've got a drone. It looks like that, and then we're gonna have Zane run his car down this like ridge and get it on the drone shot. Alright, let's go. So we're all watching him.
Oh, that's insane.
Alright, new thing. He's gonna rip it and down that road. Turn around, turn the camera. He's gonna rip it down that road, and I'm gonna follow him with the drone. Got it. Alright, so basically what we're doing is we have our drone up there. Zane's going all the way down there, and we're gonna put the drone down to the car height. Zane's gonna try to rip through the car, rip through the drone, and right before he like hits the drone, I'm gonna fly out. If we can pull it off properly. Did that guy just touch me?
You did test run with that guy's car. Test
Exactly,
run,
bro.
test run.
No, but this time I should have just flown straight through it.
Yeah. All right, he's coming. He's coming.
Alright, here we go, dog. right before he hits it, and you fly it. A little bit longer, a little bit longer. No, we're up.
Yeah.
Not good.
Alright, sorry.
Yeah, sorry about
Go
that.
someplace like out there, like out on Tesla Road, past all the houses. That's a good place.
For sure. Appreciate that.
Not
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Sorry about
Sorry
that.
about
Have a good night.
Someone move.
Huh? I'll play with you. Give me that camera. Alright, what's the move now?
We can.
Where are we going now?
Let's head back. Let's go back.
Let's go down. I hit a gas station because I need gas.
Okay.
Dude, the shots we got were so sick.
You see his pocket?
Huh?
You see his pocket?
He had a gun?
Yeah. Like out in there.
No, I didn't. That was like...
He had a gun right there, like out, like half the gun was out.
Yo!
You didn't see it, bro?
Was he really
literally-
flashing his gun?
No, it was right there, bro. His gun was out, and like his gun was out there. You didn't see it? It
No!
was in his pocket. A huge pistol.
Dude, was he gonna... Oh,
You
shoot.
didn't see it. That's why he literally moved his arm for us. To like, by the way, there was a fat gun right there.
You didn't see it?
No!
Hamza, you saw the gun, right?
Yeah.
My drone's still in the air. We gotta go back.
What the hell?
Okay. I brought it up. We're chill.
Okay.
Almost at a power line again. Okay, here's what happened. Alright, homeboy over there pulled out a gun on us. Or not pulled out, but he had it. He flashed us with it. And we all dipped out of there real quick. I forgot my drone, which was still in the air. So we're back at the same spot that guy was. I connected to my drone while we were driving and I threw it back up in the air. So now I gotta figure out where it is and go find it.
Look for the
Hamza, every time we shoot together, bro.
I
It's a
swear to
curse.
God. I swear to God.
So I'm following the drone on the drone map. So we're somewhere here.
The white pants, where is that? We passed that.
Oh, I know, this is the home point. Not the controller.
How much battery do you have in that thing?
I have 50% battery.
we're good.
That 50%
That's
won't
good.
go a long way.
Yeah, well, we'll see if it's
Hey,
going further away from the drone.
Oma,
Wait.
call it, watch.
Alright,
Look.
yeah, I know. I'm looking for the car.
It's a gray sign.
Oh, great. So weird.
I don't see any car on the map. I mean, on
Wait, it's gonna pass you.
the... Okay, I just see a white car.
Go down. Is that a Scion?
That's a gray.
Yeah, good.
Alright, so we're in
opposite
the...
direction.
So fly
yeah,
opposite direction.
yeah.
Alright, I'm going sport mode. Okay, I think I see us pulled over.
That's us.
Yeah.
That's us.
Hey!
Woo! Are you kidding? I'm still child locked.
Served you right. Let's go. Oh, what? Oh. Yo.
Bro, I'm literally, we're getting in Zane's car. We're leaving. I'm like, okay, gotta pack up. We're gonna go hit this next spot for a gas station photo shoot.
Okay.
And then I'm like trying to, yeah, we do. We need to pray. And then I'm trying to put my drone in my pocket, in my bag. And I'm like, I don't have my drone. Like, where is it? I look around. I'm like, oh crap. I left it in the air.
Oh my god.
And so the DJ, and I disconnected the controller. I turned it off and everything. When you lose connection to your controller, let me close the window.
Where it goes.
So, yeah, so when you lose connection between your controller and your drone, it lands back to where you took off from, which was right by that guy's house. So we had to come back in Maddox's car so the guy doesn't get pissed from Zane's engine. And and then I reconnected it. We got close enough so it got back into range, and I took it out of the sky. And we're chill. I blame Hamza. No one got shot. Alright, we're gonna go pull up to a gas station now and see if we can get like some album cover type shots at the gas station. And then we're gonna go
mixtape soon.
Oh yeah, no, for sure.
What are you shooting?
Um,
No tripod, right?
nah, we have good light here. Yeah, once you lower it, it'll make a hella good video.
Yeah.
Look here, look here, look here, look here. Zane, look here.
Alright, see ya. Until next time.
Alright, bro.
No, I want you guys.
No. That was horrible. Okay, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna put everyone's Instagrams down below. Leave a like if you like this type of content, and I will see you next week. Peace.